The Pistons taking on the Heat. This is a very important game for both teams. They're trying to make the playoffs. The Heat are just a few games above the Magic and also the Hornets, and they're right behind the Pistons. So obviously they want to win this game. Dwayne Wade, he said he wants to go to the playoffs one last time for one more dance. And he's dancing tonight as the Heat get off to the early start. The fadeaway from mid-range to end the second quarter. Shot clock cheese. Blake Griffin is going to make it splash. In the second half, it's going to be a fast-breaking clinic. There goes the steal. Here goes the lob to Bam. And there's going to be a lot more lobs in this one. Got to take another look at the angle. Reggie Jackson just says, go ahead and have that. He gives up on the play. He doesn't want to cause an injury because they're high flying out here. Dragic just going to pop it right in his face. Splash. Nothing but net. This game is completely out of control. Look at the scoreboard. They leave Richardson wide open for three. More shot clock cheese for the Heat. It's the spinning jumper from Dragic at the buzzer. Fourth quarter time. The lobs are just going to keep on coming. First, it's Whiteside throwing one down. Then off the steal. This is the play of the game. It's a double alley-oop. Check this out. Derrick Jones Jr. throwing it down. Wow, he's had some crazy dunks this season. The double alley-oop. Everybody is going crazy. The bench, the fans. Hassan Whiteside loves it. Look at that score. The Pistons are getting destroyed. The step back three from Dragic. Heat easily win. Back-to-back green release. Three in a row. Green release. I'm never missing again. Let's go. Oh, how do I miss the money? Last rack. Oh, sit down. I can't see. Oh, look at that cheese. I can't see the release. He stood up to block the release. Wow, the CPU is cheesing.